If you're considering Liquid Web managed hosting, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making a purchase, especially if you're comparing it to other popular options like Bluehost or SiteGround. Liquid Web stands out for its focus on high performance, but is it the best choice for you? Let's break it down. First thing to know, performance is a top priority. Liquid Web promises fast and reliable hosting with dedicated resources, ensuring your website runs smoothly even with high traffic. Unlike shared hosting services like Bluehost, where resources are shared among many sites, Liquid Web offers VPS and dedicated hosting plans that guarantee better uptime and speed. Next thing, managed services. Liquid Web offers fully managed hosting, meaning they handle all the technical work, such as updates and security, so you don't have to. If you're looking for a hands-off approach, this is a major advantage over some competitors like SiteGround, where management is more limited in certain plans. The third thing to note is pricing. Liquid Web isn't cheap, especially compared to budget options like Bluehost or HostGator. Their prices can range from around $50 per month to over $100 depending on the plan, which might be steep for beginners or small websites. However, it can be worth the investment for businesses that need high uptime and superior performance. The fourth thing is scalability. Whether you're running a small blog or an enterprise-level website, Liquid Web offers flexibility. You can start small and scale up easily, especially with their VPS and dedicated server options. Most competitors require you to migrate to a higher tier plan, but with Liquid Web, scalability is built into the service. The fifth point is about support. Liquid Web has 24/7 support through phone, chat, and email. Their reputation for excellent customer service is often highlighted in reviews, surpassing the sometimes slower or less detailed support from competitors. If you value responsive and knowledgeable support, this could be a key selling point. The sixth thing to know is security. Liquid Web includes automatic backups, DDoS protection, and SSL certificates with their plans. This security package is more comprehensive compared to some entry-level services like Bluehost, where you may need to pay extra for these features. The seventh thing, ease of use. While Liquid Web excels in performance and security, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. If you're new to hosting, platforms like SiteGround offer more intuitive user interfaces. However, if you have technical expertise or are willing to learn, the control Liquid Web offers will give you much more customization. Next, let's talk about shy site migration. If you're moving from another hosting provider, Liquid Web offers free migration. This is great for businesses looking to switch without the added stress. It's a big win over competitors like HostGator, where you often have to pay for migration services. The ninth point is resources and tools. Liquid Web provides more than just hosting. They offer tools for backups, staging environments, and more. Their plans often come with more built-in features than those from cheaper competitors, which can help you streamline your website management. The 10th thing is server locations. Liquid Web has data centers across the globe, which means they can offer faster load times no matter where your audience is located. This is a step up from providers like GoDaddy, who have fewer global data center options. The 11th thing to consider is e-commerce support. Liquid Web has specialized hosting options for e-commerce websites with optimized servers for platforms like WooCommerce and Magento. This targeted support is more tailored compared to general hosting providers, making it a solid option for online stores. Finally, the 12th thing to know is value for money. While Liquid Web might not be the cheapest, its combination of high performance, reliability, and managed services provides value that you can't easily find with lower tier competitors. Liquid Web is a great choice for businesses that need serious performance and excellent support. But if you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up for your website needs.